I don't know, oh, where to begin. We are North Americans, and for those of you who still think we're from England, we're not, no. We've been on planes and on trains till we think we might die. Far from North America, where the buildings are old, and you might have lots of mimes. I hate the feeling when you're looking at me that way, 'cause we're North Americans, but if we act all shy, it'll make it okay, it makes it go away. Oh, I don't know, oh, where to begin, when we're North American, but in the end, make the same mistakes all over again.
But still gotta hit it.
We're from North America. And all the kids that wanna make a scene here in North America. When all your kids get to read it in your magazines, we don't have those. So where's the love, where's the love, where's the love, where's the love, where's the love tonight? But there's no love, man, there's no love and the kids are uptight. So
would you like to be arrested for
come in and bust it up. Let's go North Americans. Oh, you were planning it, I didn't mean to interrupt. Sorry, I did it once and my parents got a pity upset. Freaked out in North America, but then I said the more I do it, the better it gets. That's right, North America. We are North American scum. We're from North America. We are North American scum. We are North American. New York's the greatest if you get someone to pay the rent. Wahoo! North